Cypelux Leed is a program created to justify the natural lighting requirements needed to obtain LEED certification. More specifically, the program can be used to simulate and verify the requirements defined in Option 2 of Credit 8.1 of the Indoor Environmental Quality category of the LEED 4.0 certification. To get started, we can import the model of a project hosted on the BIMserver.center platform and become part of the collaborative workflow provided by Open BIM technology. This way, the geometry of the building's floors and spaces is automatically generated. The program interface allows us to create and work on different plan views, including the possibility of visualizing the 3D view of the model. We can enter new zones by drawing them on plan or using the zones imported from the BIM model. In the project libraries, we define the description and analysis parameters for each of the types of zones, indicating whether we wish to carry out checks on them to check compliance with the requirements for obtaining LEED certification. We also specify the properties of the glazed openings, read from the geometric model. Subsequently, we enter the rest of the data needed to obtain LEED certification, such as the general parameters of the location of the job and the reflectances of the exterior surfaces. Furthermore, we select the days that represent the clearest sky conditions at various times of the year. During the analysis, the program performs lighting calculations and verifies the requirements defined in the aforementioned section of the LEED certification. This way, it obtains the average lighting level, measured at the height of the work plane, produced by the effects of daylight on the selected days. We can consult the results and check compliance by hovering the cursor over the defined zones, as well as in the check reports generated by the program. The calculated values are represented graphically by contour plots, contour lines, or numerical value maps. Furthermore, by hovering the cursor over each zone, the surface percentages of the space where the lighting values are within the limit ranges defined in the LEED certification are displayed. Cypelux Leed carries out lighting calculations using the Integrated Radiance Analysis Engine developed by the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory. Thanks to this analysis engine, the program also allows us to render scenes to represent a realistic image of the lighting effect provided by natural light at the indicated moments. The program generates the document justifying the aforementioned credit for LEED certification for the whole job by means of the reports, in which the building characteristics and calculations are detailed, as well as the results obtained. It also automatically generates detailed drawings of the project. These documents can be printed directly or exported in different formats. Authorized project participants can share and view the information generated with the program via the BIMserver.center platform, allowing them to access all the information from any device at any time.